So, good afternoon, everybody out on YouTube. Thanks for joining us. Ooh, look at that. I crashed and I have no watch list today.
Oh, well, hello, everybody on YouTube. Wait, now that we're on YouTube, am I infringing on a copyright with...
I have no idea. If you found it free on Google, I doubt you are. But you never know with YouTube.
Feel free to use my feel free to use my face there.
Yeah.
Feel free to use my face there if you want.
Well,
I won't find that creepy at all, Peter.
no? Okay, what the heck is going on here? All right. If you insist.
When I'm a Renaissance man? Oh, there you go. No, I'm a porn star, I think. That was my porn star.
Well, you know, hanging out of my place.
From the 60s. All right. Let's get serious here. Looking
Oh, did that one better? Like,
yeah,
let's
exactly.
see. You were upside down.
Need a mustache for my mustache.
All right. No copyright problems going on there.
No, it's all good. All right, well, we're just chopping along here by the looks of things. I don't see anything setting up for a move. Disney might be looking for a bounce here.
Oh, bite your tongue.
Solo actually. Solo act. What hit 923? Wow. Jeez.
I know. It was funny to me this morning, Brian, when you're like I know Solo because they're local here. They're not worth that much. That company's not worth.
And what that? Yeah. And what does that mean? What does that really mean? You're right.
Yeah. Hey, look, if people are willing to pay that price, then it's worth that much, right? No matter what we think.
Yep, there is a complete disconnect between the value and on a lot of these stocks and at least traditional value anyway. Even fundamental value, I think.
I would agree. I completely agree on that.
Yeah.
Like Zoom at $414?
Yeah, it's worth more than, I think it's worth more than GM or GE, one of the two. But it is what it is.
Yeah.
If somebody's willing to pay for it.
Yep. You can rationalize all you want. The market will tell you differently.
Mm-hmm. Indeed.
So we got 33, a little less than half hour into the close here. It doesn't look like the market's going to make any big moves one way or another at this point. At least the SPY is just churning sideways here. Nothing going on.
There we go. Now we have today's watch list.
Good.
Ooh, Facebook, what are you doing, Facebook?
Donkey Kong's going through 49 there. By the looks of things, there you go. It's trying to get there.
Facebook getting some volume. Baba pushing up too.
Yeah, SPY is starting to break out here. Looks like we're going to finish strong into the close.
Yeah.
UDOW.
Indeed, indeed, indeed.
A lot of stuff popping.
Yeah, exactly.
I think we're going to take off. I'm just going to give it a second here, but I may just close out the Disney trade.
Snap is heading back up. Snap's breaking out on a daily too, as a matter of fact. It's broken out on a daily time frame.
Maybe not quite yet. We'll see.
Disney came back up. Did it come back to the VWAP there? I think it did, didn't it?
Yep.
It did. Push through.
It did. Yeah.
But it didn't hold it. I thought it was going to go higher, but then it showing a little weak. Yeah, and I'll just waiting, biding my time.
Just patience.
Patience.
Patiently waiting for it.
Patience, Robinson Crusoe.
Parker. Yeah,
Yes.
one of those guys.
One of those guys. I see Penducci is up on the day.
Pinducci. Takes me a second to figure out what you're talking about. Oh, you mean Pinduoduo.
Pinduoduo. Pinduoduo. Pinduoduo.
I admit I'm getting a little freaked out with you looking over my shoulder. I feel like I'm in a Renaissance painting or
That's what I said. There's a Renaissance man behind you. Then I realized it was only me.
It was only me.
Yeah.
It's the ghost of Brian's past.
Yeah, exactly. It's the guy. The guy who used to look like that. Now, what are we going to do here? SPY did a bit of a pop there, and now it's pulling back a bit.
Seems to be playing around that R3 level.
Yeah.
Up, down, up, down, up, down, right on it.
Yeah, now we're going down again. Neo's sinking here. Tried to bounce.
Our IPO we were looking at, YSG, seems to have found a level it likes for the moment, right around $20 here. We'll see if it holds that into the close.
YSG.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's just kind of chopping there, isn't it?
Yeah. Yes, it is.
Huh. Just not a lot of stuff going on here. Just pretty quiet. Kind of quiet.
Yes.
LB
Thursday afternoon, that's what it is.
Well, yeah. LB had a nice day. It didn't really do much today, but it was. He must have had good earnings. People happy with.
The
things.
LB was last night, actually. John had mentioned that he had traded it. I think, last night. Where their earnings? And I didn't actually look at LB.
Yeah, it had earnings last night.
Yep.
They beat their numbers. Let's see, what has it done today? Yeah, not much today.
Not much. No, it just gapped up and moved around a little bit there.
Yep.
Not much.
What do we want to do into the close?
Yeah, there's not much going on. Disney pulled back there. Wow. Oil is down and the energy sector is up. XLE is up on oil on a price of oil that's down. It's kind of strange. The VIX dropping again here as the SPY and everything else goes higher. IWM, QQQ. PLTR making another move here. Looks like might finish strong into the close.
It could be.
They had an announcement.
You have an announcement?
No, PLTR had an announcement today. They got something about something from the U.S. Army.
Microsoft pushing up. Let's see if it wants to push above that 213.
The SPY is SPY held here. It looks like it's going to try to pop again. It's right at sort of a level here where it's finding some resistance. Oop. Pulling back a bit. Do you have a mask mandate in California?
Yes, we do. So anytime you're out in public spaces, you're required to wear a mask.
Okay.
I think they're trying. I think they're possibly saying that they're gonna require you to wear it in public or outside now too.
Oh, really?
True, John and Norm. Unless you're the person that imposes it, then you can do what you want. Big scandal that came out on Twitter and all over the news yesterday.
About what?
It's that it's something I lived by when I was in the military. If you're going to require somebody to do something, then you should be willing to do it as well. Because the minute you don't do it and somebody sees you not do it, you're just going to get backlash.
Yeah, totally. Yeah.
So, that's the essence of what went on.
Okay.
So.
Well, looks like we are still trying to break out of this 358 level on the SPY.
Yeah, no. That's a whole nother topic. When you try to tell me what to do inside my house, that's going to be a different story with me altogether.
Pennsylvania, what? They have a mask mandate in the house? That doesn't make any sense.
Yeah.
No.
In your own house.
No.
What?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm totally serious. That's
How
why
does
I'm
that
saying when you try to mandate what I do in my own house, unless you're paying my rent for me,
Yeah.
like
It is a little crazy.
If you're living with somebody, there's many more ways to contract it other than just breathing on somebody else. That doesn't make any sense. Anyway.
Anyway, yeah, let's get off the coronavirus thing. We're probably treading on.
Must be missing something. Anyway. All right.
We're treading on shaky ground here.
Yeah.
here we go. We're trying to push it again.
Yeah, I know. I can see that. It pulls back, comes up again. These repeated failures are, they can be. If they go on long enough, you'll get a flush lower. Keep trying to break through, and at some point, if we get a lower low here, we may end up selling off on the SPY.
LB is moving up there. Moving on. I am just about to give up here on Disney. I'm not sure what it's going to do. I'm hoping it's going to drop and give me a little bit more. I'm looking for 141.80. 20 cents down. But that's probably me just being stubborn.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, excuse me. Do we have any earnings tonight?
Oh, we got work
Sure we
day.
Sure, we have something.
Nothing too exciting. Intuit and Workday at 4 p.m. today. So, other than that,
Yeah.
there is Dada Group.
Oh, Dada.
No revenue in Dada, but it's only looking to lose 30 cents per share today.
Okay. Well, the no revenue model is certainly works for a lot of companies.
It's all the rage these days. It's a fact.
It's not. Yeah, it's not stopping anyone. That's for sure.
No, not at all.
Okay, SPY is, as I mentioned, you kept repeating to try to get through that level, and one time too many, and buyers kind of give up. So now we're 10 minutes and a bit into the rest of the day here, selling off a little bit on the SPY now.
Almost time for the alarm. There it is.
Yeah, there it is. LB looking strong into the close. I'm not sure if maybe people were shorting it and thinking it was going to sell. FTSI seems to be a stock that's rocking all over the place. Whoa, big pop and now a drop and now halted. Not big volume though.
So bring up the memo trade of the day today, which goes out to Jenny. So for her trade on Neil, ABCD pattern that she took. Got stopped, didn't really get stopped out on her first trade, but took too early of an entry. Took it on the up portion of that B. Took partial, got out at break even, probably covered enough to pay her broker. And then after the pullback, got back in, got a nice move, took partials at a daily level and then at R3. What I like about this trade is she used the R levels, so R1, to determine her entry along with some volume after a low volume pullback, and then added into it when it held the R3 level with a hammer. Added into that, and then got out, partial initially when she saw the shooting star, and then got all out when you started to see it roll over. So excellent trade on Jenny's part.
Nice work.
Nice
on
one.
you, Jenny.
Nice one, yeah.
If you'd like to submit for the member of the trade, take your best post, mark it up, and please, when you do that, make sure that it's a nice, clean image where it's not fuzzy. That way we can project it onto the screen. Otherwise, it's difficult for us to select it because it just doesn't broadcast well to everybody. Then we got, you can tag at Bearball Traders. That might be _BBT at NormBBT. Use the hashtag BBT Family Day Trading and Stock Market. We'll announce the winner every day on the Closing Bell Show, and then the winner for the Trade of the Week on Monday's Closing Bell Show. This week, yesterday we had Thor talk about the when, the where, and the how of the level 2 in VPA. Once the website's back up, it'll be posted there. They'll be posted up there so that you can go ahead and watch that if you missed the live version of it. Next week on Tuesday, we'll have Eamon at a special time. Please note the time. 5 p.m. Eastern, because he's over in Russia. So it'll be 1 hour after the market closes, talking about how to trade the momentum. For psychology, last night we had Nada talking to us about cultivating equanimity. She also gave a nice duck meditation for everybody to look up if you're interested to know what a duck meditation is. But it was a very interesting and knowledgeable class. So I truly enjoy that because once you get into mindfulness or just being present in the moment, it can really impact your trading in a positive way. But not only that, but it also impacts your life in positive ways. And next week will be Wednesday. We will not be having anything as it's the day before Thanksgiving here in the U.S. So most people are traveling or at least spending time with their families. So that's what we want everybody doing. Prepping Thanksgiving dinner or brunch or breakfast, whatever you do in your family. Andrew's book is out in Spanish, so if you'd like to pick that up, read it in Spanish. It's available on Amazon and also the Audible edition. And then Andrew did release another book, Mastering Trading Psychology, that is also available on Amazon. So, and then if you'd like to try the chat room out, I know some technical difficulties this week, but next week you can use code PREMARKET24. Gives you access to the onboarding class that will go on Monday, as well as allowing you access to the chat room for the entire week.
Don't forget about the new mindfulness book.
Yes, Mastering Trading Psychology. Yeah, I'm sorry, Lights. I know sometimes it echoes in here. I think maybe it's soundproofing, or it could just be that my voice is really bad right now, too.
It's coming through okay on my end.
Yeah, sounds okay. Here. Maybe I should
Sounds good here.
take you off speaker. Maybe that's causing an echo from my end.
So, and we got about 5 minutes left in the trading. So,
Disney is trying. It's pennies away from the level I was targeting here. Oh, there we go. Okay, just hit it. See if we can push through it. I'm still holding. This is the level I wanted at 141.80. it's going to keep going, I will stay with it. Come on. $1. This is a $1 move on Disney. I wasn't expecting a $1 move.
Yeah, that was a big drop. Yeah, right into the close here. Nice one, Peter.
Thank you. I have to thank. I wish I knew who in the room mentioned it. Somebody mentioned it, and I took a look at it and decided to take it. But thanks to them pointing it out. All right, I'm just going to take Disney off right here. Oh no, I pulled back before I could hit the button. 141.83 is my number, since that's exactly $1 from the entry. More better. Can you give me some more, Disney? What's down here? What's this? Low of the day is 141.70. It would be nice to get a new low of the day. That would be good. I did challenge Disney to make a little boy's dreams come true by dropping the VWAP, so it has delivered. Disney did deliver for me. I can't complain.
But you're not dressed like a princess, so I don't know how much luck you'll have there.
Well, I mean, all you guys know is that I'm not dressed like a princess on the top half.
That's true. No, yeah.
Oh, so that it was Art who mentioned it. She's usually watching Disney, so I don't normally keep an eye on it. I know she's always got an eye to it, so I don't find it normally trades in a way I like, but today it made me happy. Thank you for that. Yeah, Master Chief, you're welcome. I'm sure you needed that mental image to scar the back of your brain. For the day. Well, we're here for trading support and make sure that you visit your therapist regularly.
And mental distraction.
Yes.
And mental distress.
Mental distress, yeah.
It's really why we have the psychology series. It just counteracts everything you get from us during the day.
Yeah. Yeah. 2 minutes to go here.
Like things like this. That's not upsetting at all. Back in the Renaissance picture. All right, I am.
That's not disturbing. Yeah, that's not disturbing at all either.
Let me try something. So Hans, let me know right now if you're getting an echo. I turned off the camera and I just want to see if that's what's causing it, then at least we've narrowed down what's causing the echo.
So we got 1 minute left here, eh?
1 minute, yeah. Disney didn't set a new low. I'm still hoping here. If it sets a new low now with less than a minute, I'm just going to take it off. Otherwise, I'm getting out. There's my number. Oh, it's getting a little more erratic now.
Yeah. Nice, Cliff. So I'm not sure. Riot, Mara. No, I'm not sure. I haven't been trading as cleanly.
Oh, the bid touched.
But you got a nice entry there. Looks like PLTR is going to go strong into the close here.
Perfect. Thanks, Hans. That lets me know where to narrow down and see what's going on.
Did not get that low of the day. Don't do it now. Oh, right after the close, it goes below. Dope. Oh, that's all right.
See what Workday is up to, as well as IN. Intuit did a big spike up, $3 candle. Nothing wrong with that in the aftermarket.
All right, let's start to take my files here for my
Oh my God.
journal. Did taking your camera off fix it? I noticed it's just Brian and I on the camera right now.
Yeah, so
Oh, there you are.
I'm big now for a little bit. You get the supervision of me.
I'm scared.
You're just about as big as 60s Brian.
Yeah.
There we go. We're going down. Smaller. And let's do settings. Apply. Now, Hans, let me know again if you're still out there, if you're getting the echo now. It is definitely a Skype issue. I gotta figure out something with Skype is causing it. Yeah, see. And now we'll take the camera off so that you all don't have to deal with the echo. Camera went away.
Oops, all right. I'm, as usual, journaling here. All right. Oh no! What happened to your microphone? Where'd you go? You're really far in the background there, Mike. Barely.
Yeah. Barely.
How about now?
Oh, there you go. Hey. Welcome back.
Well, that didn't work.
Apparently.
That's strange, because I just turned down the volume in Skype, and it, like, turned me all the way down. Huh. Well, I'll mess with it. I'll do some Googling today, see why it's echoing through. Intuit's popping up.
Yeah, I don't know that I think I've watched Intuit a couple of times. I don't know that I've ever traded it. Never really. It's not a pretty chart. Have pretty price action.
Let's try this. Can you hear me now, Hans? Without an echo? I just press all kinds of buttons, and then they never seem to stick. When I save all the settings overnight, it like reverts back, and it irritates me.
Have to remember what all the buttons were.
I to practice my patience and anger management.
Anger management.
It's like some sort of cosmic test, you figure, coming from your computer?
Yes.
Yeah.
I think you're...
I think that's what it is. I'm pretty sure.
I hope
it has.
I hope it's not, because that means your computer has got more powers than you may want to have.
Admit.
Oh, look at that. See, we're better now. Okay.
Mm.
Better. I am saving all settings.
I want to take screenshots of them or something.
I am. That's how I'm saving them.
Oh, I see. Okay. There you go. You've already thought of it.
All right, guys, I'm going to drop off here, and hope everyone has had a good day. Peter, Michael, good evening, everybody. Sir.
Work days all crazy popping around too. So. Chris.
And this.
So work day. Not much out there. Nothing exciting like the LB trade.
Don't forget, guys, it's Thor's Day, which means Thor's mentorship program is happening tonight, 4 hours from now. It'll be in the webinar room if it's functional. If you have any trouble with the website, use the link you use, or just keep this room open. Just keep it available. We'll make sure to let you know what's happening. If it's not here, it'll be there. But that way you've got, you'll have access. So hopefully we'll have a chance to see you.
Yes.
There tonight at 8 o'clock.